Hello, Team Waxinistas. It's Melanie. I am your Star Director. I'm excited to tell you about our summer challenge program we're going to be doing to help build our businesses for the summer months, which can be slower if you buy into the, oh, summer's so slow. Or it can be a chance to really warm up your business and especially warm it up for fall, which is always hopping. So we're going to do a 90-day challenge. Okay, so this is going to go for 90 days, and it's a really, really simple one that everyone can do no matter where you're at in your business. And it's so simple, you're not going to believe it. It's only 2 contacts a day, okay? So that your goal is at least 2 contacts a day with current or new customers or current or new hostesses. So that means people that you meet at the bank line, while you're standing in the grocery line, while you're sitting and waiting for your kids to get out of soccer practice or baseball practice or whatever they're doing. It could be people, coworkers, it could be family members, new neighbors, anybody, people you meet at the park. There are so many places that we're all going for the summer that really we're always meeting new people. So I encourage you to make up some samples. Here's a sample of mine. Okay, so I have my business card here with my sample. This one's a wink and a smile, one of my favorites. And a folded up product list. So instead of having to give out the whole catalog, which I do keep some of those on hand, I can leave a product list which is more cost effective, and they can still see all of the amazing products that we have. So this is a sample of mine. This is in, this is in a 3x5 plastic bag. So in case you want to make some of your own, that's what I used. So it can be handing out samples. It can be mailing samples, mailing catalogs. It can be calling a past hostess or customers for follow-up. It can be sending out an email, a text, whatever works for your customers and for you. Always remember customers first, not just, even though text and email may be easier for all of us, it may not be the preferred method of communication for your hostess or your customer. So always make sure to do what works for them. I love to do mailings because who doesn't love to get a fun piece of mail in the mailbox that's not a bill and they don't owe anything. So samples are a great way to do that. In the summer, the one thing I will say is I don't do these for mailing because they're kind of bulky with the sample, which makes the postage go up. So I just slice my samples down with a crinkle cutter. I got mine at Pampered Chef, but I know they have them at like Bed Bath & Beyond. And do them real thin, and then I put a 1x1 piece of white felt in here so that when I mail it, if it melts, it's fine because it just absorbs right into the felt and doesn't get everywhere on everything, but they can still smell the amazing scent that I've sent them. So that's it. Super simple. Again, 2 contacts a day at least. You can always go over that, but your goal is 2 contacts a day. I encourage you to write it down. I'm going to make a little tracking sheet for everybody to be able to utilize, and it's just going to be a great way to not only keep your summer business going and get it warmed up, but you're going to have a fall that is on fire if you do these things. It's going to make it explode because 90 days at 2 contacts a day, that's 180 people that you're contacting over the next 90 days. 180 people. So it's a wonderful idea, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, sorry, my kids just walked in. Talk to y'all later. Bye.